Gospel Alive 2016 is finally here, and you don't want to miss it.
Take my hand down Paradise Lane.
Featuring Tahila Afro, Johnny Mufule, House of Hope Total Praise, Tito, Oasis Praise Family, and for the first time in Lesotho, Swani Gospel Choir. Anyway, tickets are selling out. Get yours at any ShopRite Coffee Ticket or any Basotho Ink kiosk at the Pioneer Mall near Pick n Pay entrance for just 150 Maloti and 200 Maloti VIP. Catch the magic at Lehabo Recreation Center on the 1st of October 2016. Limited number of tickets will be available at the door, so get yours now. Gospel Alive 2016, celebrating Jesus, celebrating life.